triangle ABC, we have to state each ratio in terms of the side. So if we're looking at this triangle right here, we are going to use SOHCAHTOA to help us here. So again, this is just a little acronym to help us understand that, sine of an angle is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. And so basically I'm going to use SOHCAHTOA here to help us with each of these. So I'm looking at, for each of these, you notice the angle that I'm looking at is alpha here, or I think that's alpha, the Greek letter in there. So that's this angle right here. And so just to note to start, like the opposite side of alpha here is the one that it projects to, right? So like this angle here projects this side here, whereas the adjacent side is going to be the one that's next to it. So this is the adjacent side. That is not the hypotenuse. I know that this is the hypotenuse here because it's the longest side, or the one that's being, projected from the 90-degree angle. So a couple of basic geometry things to be able to know is which one's opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So all of that being said, I'm going to go ahead and erase this to make it a little bit neater here. And if I'm looking for the sine of alpha, that is going to be the opposite over the hypotenuse. So it's going to be A over B. Cosine is going to be the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So that's going to be C over B. And the tangent is opposite over adjacent. So that's going to be A over C. And that is what it means by the ratio in terms of the sides. So sine is A over B, cosine of alpha is C over B, and tangent of alpha is A over C.